Now that our menu is fully functional and styled, I want to create a series of CSS rules that will target only the top level items. So let's go back to our CSS file. Let's scroll down a little bit. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I like to keep my CSS rules together that are doing specific things. And since we're doing overrides and CSS rules that appear later than other rules will take precedence, I want to put all of the top level overrides after the CSS rules we've created. So let's come in here and add a comment. So I'll do /*, **, then inside here we'll say top level. And the first thing I want to do is let's come up here and let's copy the nav greater than UL greater than LI where we're setting the floats. These are targeting those top level items. Let's cut that. And let's come down here and let's paste that down here after top level. And then let's get our cursor above that rule. Now let's target the topmost unordered list. So nav greater than UL. Put in our brackets. Let's set padding left to 35 pixels. Let's hit a return. After the float properties, let's come in here and let's target the top level anchor links. So nav space greater than UL space greater than LI space greater than A. So we're going to target the anchor links that are a direct descendant of the list item, which are a direct descendant of the UL, which is a direct descendant of navigation. Let's put in our brackets. So we're going to set padding. We're going to change this to 10 pixels on the top, 20 pixels on the right, 15 pixels on the bottom, and 20 pixels on the left. We're basically changing the padding bottom from 20 down to 15 here. Let's hit a space. We're going to set a width property to auto. This way, the width of those top level elements will not be the full 125 pixels that we set up here, but rather they'll be the width of the text set inside of the anchor link. This will also allow the submenus to go underneath other top level items in the navigation. Now with those in place, let's hit save. Let's go back to the browser. Let's hit reload. We'll now see the top level items are now more closely spaced. If I come up here and hover over About Us, we can see that the menu actually goes underneath Products. Products has no sublink. Design Corner has a submenu, and then of course our third level. And then finally I come over here and hover over Contact Us. So now at this point we have a fully functioning set of navigation menus built completely with CSS. Next we're going to enable our menus so that devices that support both touch and either mouse or trackpad input can activate the menus as well.